How to enable the virtual machine platform on Windows 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today in this video, you will learn to enable the virtual machine platform on your Windows using PowerShell. First of all, click your Windows button and open Windows PowerShell by simply searching the Windows PowerShell on the box. Then after, run it as an administrator and then just type the given command to enable the virtual machine platform on your Windows. After typing the command, you can just simply press enter to proceed. Now, restart your computer to just see the changes. This is how you can enable the virtual machine platform on your Windows. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing contents. See you in the next video.